I noticed this fork tube is leaking oil, unfortunately. So I'm gonna try this seal doctor. Supposedly what happens is a piece of dirt, something gets stuck in the seal, causing it to leak a little bit. And with this tool, you stick it in there and supposedly it takes it off, it removes it, and makes the seal do its job again. First step, carefully remove the dust seal. See all that dirt? That's oil and dirt sticking there for a few weeks, a few months, whatever it's been now. I'm surprised it hasn't gotten worse. It's a safety thing, so yeah, I should have done it sooner. Okay, here's the start of the show today. And I will have the link in the description box of the video, so you can buy this if you want to. If it works out, let's see if it works out. Here it says oil. That's gonna go on the oil seal. And if you can see the shape of this, what you wanna do is put it up there and rotate it like this. This way it will slide into the oil seal. Once it does that, then you do a full rotation like this and you pull it down. And supposedly whatever dirt is over there or debris, it's gonna get caught over here. Now this happens to be a little bit floppy for this fork tube, but I think it'll be okay. Oh yeah. Okay, that's it. I can see the oil coming out, and that's normal. So give it a rotation, a full rotation, and then pull it down. Oh, look at that stuff it took out. That's crazy, man. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Alrighty, I can see a little bit on the rotor there. Be careful where that oil goes. This is the first time I'm doing this. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try it. I'll give it a few pumps. As I'm pumping this, the oil gets less and less that's coming out. Hopefully this works out, man, because I don't feel like changing the seals anytime soon. It's a 5-year-old bike, what the heck. I'm gonna clean the dust seal as well, and that's gonna be this fin over here. Wow, it's got some dirt coming out. Look at that. That's a good amount of dirt. I'm gonna ride it a few days. Of course, I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Color WD-40 around here on the surface. So it goes on nice and easy. Now for the next few days, I'm expecting to see a little bit of oil still. But after a few days, once I wipe it and it clears out, hopefully it's gonna be okay. So let's check my mileage. Alright, broskies, so the results are in and you're gonna be happy, man, because I'm happy. This is the mileage. And yes, that thing, man, it worked. I couldn't believe it. I definitely recommend that. One tip I would like to give you is when you have the dust seal off, when it's down, I suggest you clean it from the oil, like spray maybe some water, soapy water on it to clean it out. Because I didn't do that, and then it still leaked a little bit of oil. I guess whatever was left on the dust seal just dripped out for the first like 2-3 days maybe. And I thought it didn't fix it, but after that it cleared out and we were good, man. If you have a leaky fork seal, I would definitely try to do that first. Again, I will have the link in the description box below. I still got some projects here to do. I did the CB750. I will post that video first, so we're gonna be going back in time, so don't be surprised you're not gonna see these two bikes here. All right, I'm gonna go edit some videos, and man, we have a lot of work here to do on the Gixxer and on the Hayabusa, plus on the Busa. Wow, that rhymes pretty good. The Hayabusa and the Busa. The Hayabusa. The Hayabusa. Wow, I literally just made that up. The Hayabusa. That's pretty cool. Yeah, what bike do you have? I have a Hayabusa. Can you imagine that? Hayabusa? Anyways. Alright, broskis. Have fun, stay safe, ride safe, and we'll see each other in the next one.